Master International Travel, I can say that it's almost the same. Because Worldmaster can offer the best rate, because Worldmaster is directly cooperating with the direct tour operators all over the world. In fact, Worldmaster International Travel is also an event organizer, which is I'm inviting all the tour operators around the world to meet all the travel agency owners here in the Philippines. So I can assure you that my price can compete with the other high-end travel company. And the edge of booking with Worldmaster, I can give the best deals also with installment basis. And you can reach my office here nearby. I have 2 branches in Green Hills and in Fairview. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Thank you. Now at this point, I'd like to hand over.
Industry is talagang boom na boom. After pandemic, actually talagang yung tao ay parang or hindi sila traveler now is really they are well-traveled na po ang mga tao and na-enlightened po sila sa nangyari sa ating nung pandemic. So I can say na nagkaroon kami ng more productions, more sales kasi hindi na po kami nahirapang mag-promote ng different countries. And of course, the social media is a big influence. They can see in the social media how beautiful the different places here in the Philippines and in other countries.
Okay po. For Ma'am Mitzi,